everyone, today's dish is called chicken hummus naan wrap. So you can start with your naan, toasted naan, then apply some hummus, any hummus will do. Then add any greens. Here I use baby spinach. Then add some other vegetables. I use caramelized onions and eggplant. Plus I added grated carrots to give some crunch. And use any meat you want, even leftover meals or meat from last night or the other day, as long as they've been fridged, that's fine. Then drizzle it with any dressing. So I use tzatziki sauce, but you can use like raita or any yogurt based sauce, just to think that it's healthy. There you go.